see here, she multiplied these two when she should have added.
Well, why did you do that?
I told you it's not true. I'm German. I'm not supposed to be here.
Well, looking at a handwriting analysis, it looks just like you're writing.
No, I'm left-handed.
Miss, you are guilty, and I hereby sentence you to a math lesson by this calculus lawyer right here.
Thank you very much, George. Thank you.
Chase up.
Hi, and welcome to your math class. I'm going to teach you what you should do with exponents and variables. When you have something that looks like this, and they are multiplied by another exponent, you need to add. So in this case, we would take 4 plus 6, and you would get x to the 10. Okay, so then when you have an exponent, this, all to the power, this, that needs to multiply. So you get x to the 20. Okay, so then this is never, never, never acceptable. You should never do this. This does not equal x to the 24. Ever, ever, ever.
Wait, Nigel, is it true that you committed a heinous math crime?
I don't know.
You did not FOIL when you squared your binomial.
I'm dyslexic.
This is just wrong, Judge.
No mercy in my courtroom.
Thank you.
It's obvious by your outfit that you don't know what you're doing, so guilty.
Don't yell
And
at me.
I hereby sentence you to a calculus lesson by this beautiful little calculus lawyer right here.
Thank you,
love
Judge.
her.
I'm gonna tell you.
My father's my only friend.
Hi, I'm going to teach you about binomials. So if we have something like this, a binomial, you have to square it and you have to FOIL. FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last. This tells you the process of how you really should carry out these problems. You have to take the first term times the first term, x squared. Now the outside, take the first times it by the outside, 4x. Now you take the second and times it by the inside, plus 4x again. Now the last terms times each other. And then you add like terms, x squared plus 4x plus 16. Now, if you really thought that it should be x squared plus 6, and you plugged in an x, you get something much different. Say you have 100 for x. You would get 100 squared plus 8 times 100 plus 16. And over here, you get 100 squared plus 16. So right here, this is 10,000 plus 800 plus 16. So you have 10,816. Over here, you have 10,000 plus 16. This money, and your employer didn't know how to FOIL, he would pay you this much money, $10,016. And if you did know how to FOIL, you'd be getting paid $10,816. Which do you choose?
Now, Mr. Baloney, did you do this right here? You know what this is? This is killing kittens right here.
I kill kittens. Nah, it's not me.
Are you sure, Judge?
No.
Judge, look at this.
Hey, no.
It looks like it was you. I'm thinking it was you.
Babe, nah. You know what? I got the money. I got money. And
Guilty.
What's
Double counts.
What's
One
up?
for harassing the judge and one for killing these kittens.
Thank
You
you.
are
Come
sentenced to 12 years in the big house learning calculus lessons from this beautiful lawyer
Baby.
right here.
Making me hot.
Hey, harassing the judge, I will not stand for this. I will not stand for this.
Hi, I'm going to teach you how to cancel things out when they're combined by addition or subtraction. Now here, we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 on the top and x squared minus 4 on the bottom. In order to cancel these out, you have to factor them into x minus 2 and x minus 2, and then the difference of perfect squares up here, 2 and x minus 2. Then you have to cancel these out below, and you can't cancel these x squareds out because they're combined by subtraction. And since these are combined by multiplication, you can cancel those out, which will give you an answer of x minus 2 over x plus 2.
Nigel, have you committed this crime? This heinous math crime?
My ears hurt.
You did not foil this binomial!
Read.
Ugh.
Alright, and I'm going to teach you how to cancel things out that are... it's just...
Bring in the dancing lobsters.